there! Today I will show you how to reset 3D Max to default settings. Go to my computer, Disk C, Users. Your administrative folder can be with different name. In my case, it's Username. Try to find AppData. If you can't find this folder, you need to go to the View tab and put the tick near Hidden Items. Okay, AppData, Local, Autodesk, 3D Max. Go to the version of your Max and finally rename this folder. I will call it Backup. Later on, you can delete this folder. So now we can open 3D Max and it should look after first installation. As we see, 3D Max already recreated this folder for us. Okay, let's see how it's look now. Yeah, all done. There is even the pop-up welcome screen. In the next video, we will set up the Max and create environment for highly productive workflow. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. That's it. See you soon.